CRCL stock is this the right time to buy for Wednesday 11th of June? I'm breaking all this down in this short 1-minute video. Ultimately, I quite like this market. You know, I know it's 8% corrected down. All I'm practically looking to do is buy like I did before, but rules first must be met. Now here's the proof of that. Obviously we don't have that much amount of data. Here's the proof of me calling it out beforehand. Obviously not gonna be. I mean, having done 41,000 videos myself, I've been through this tens of thousands of times, and I'm not even exaggerating. I mean, here it is, 4 days back. Even with this beautiful, called it out when it was where? 76 bucks, right? Took it from 76 man to 100, and then all that's left for me is just a second break. So if there's no sort of full candle close above 109, I'm not looking to buy whatsoever. And you can see even previous receipt in the Discord. So if you do want to learn, and if you want to stay tuned with CRCL and want to learn how I'm making 5-10K from my trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.